and copy paste these values here. First of all, we have to put our interest rate here, and our interest rate, as you know, that it's 10%. Okay, so our first of all we have to find our present value. For present value, just take here your uh, expected cash flows, the future value, divided by 1 plus your interest rate, and just hit your years along there. So before doing this, I have to copy paste here and just add the dollar sign here. You can add using F4 as well. So this is our present value and just copy paste it. This is the present and the future values. So these are my present values and these are my future values. That's where I am expecting on there. And just now to find the NPV, it's very simple. There are two methods. First have to sum these values here. This is my the NPV, and on the second way you can just this plus your NPV formula and the rate is gives and all the cash flows here. Yeah, you can see this. These are very similar values, and the internal rate of return is very simple. You have just to the built-in Excel formula the values, and here are our values. So the internal rate of return is my 16%. So my project should be accepted or rejected. So we have to put our uh, formula here. Sorry for that. The internal rate of return is greater than my interest rate. Then show me accept value. Otherwise, it's rejected. So this is accept, and you can change your formatting as well. So this project should be accepted as our IRR is greater than interest rate. What if we think about that 12,000 in the year 2 as well? So it will calculate 10,000 here, and let's imagine it's 12,000 here as well. So it has been rejected, and this is our today's video to calculate our NPV and IRR. Have a good day. Bye.